So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video on our JAMB Government Exam Revision series, we have here these two JAMB repeated questions to answer on the topic International Relations. So in short, stay till the end of this video as this is a very important one. So we are simply going to start with the first question here. It says, which of the following countries is closely associated with development of Ajaokuta steel projects? We have A, USA, B, India, C, Russia, D, Germany. So guys, the answer to this question is option C here, that's Russia. So that's it for this question. Let's head on to the next one. Alright guys, here's the next question, question number 2 of 2. It says, Nigeria shares its longest border with which West African country? We have A, Chad, B, Ghana, C, Niger, and D, Benin. So guys, the answer to this question is option C here, that's Niger. And that's it for this question. So this is where we'll end this video for today guys. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not yet a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question on the comment section below and we'll be sure to give you a response. So finally guys, we want to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community where we'll post major updates on JAMB examinations. You can join this channel community by hitting the join button below and we'll see you right there. Thank you once again for watching this video. See you on the next one.